'Cause I'm just a girl living in captivity.
So you didn't trust a hospital to have your birth, but you went to the hospital because you got an infection for having your birth in a river? Rivers, which carry the fecal matter of animals, like literally, like there are pathogens and parasites in rivers, and you decided to have your birth in the river. I'm all for birth at home, but you had your birth in dirty water. I don't think that's the government's fault. That's not the government's fault. You did that. I just won't ever understand being an anti-vaxxer, crunchy person and then taking up necessary medical resources because I got sick from being a crunchy anti-vaxxer. Don't you have like colloidal silver for that?